In this video, I'll show how to use the script Increase Resolution. The script is for Photoshop, but my reason for making it had more to do with InDesign. I'll explain while demonstrating the script in macOS. It works the same on Windows. Here's a layout in InDesign. Let's turn on Preflight. A few problems. Some images are under 300 ppi. We could argue what the minimum should be, but not in this video. Because I deliver files to printers near and far, many I don't know or will ever meet, I like to use a safe value. No one rejects 300 as not enough resolution. These images are less, so I want to upscale them. In the past, I've used fractal upscaling software. But in the last few years, Photoshop has come a long way. The resampling option, Preserve Details 2.0, does just as well, for my needs anyway. So that's what I use now. First, I'll show how to do it without the script. Then show how the script makes it faster. We'll start with the first image in the Preflight panel. Click the page number so the image is selected. Then change to the Links panel where it's also selected. If link info in the lower part of the panel isn't open, click the angle bracket next to the link count to open it. This reveals details about the selected link. Find effective PPI. Given how the image is scaled in the layout, that's our actual PPI when the job is output. 219. We want that to be 300. In the Links panel, click the pencil icon for Edit Original. The image opens in Photoshop. Keep in mind the PPI value a moment ago, 219. Open image size. Keyboard shortcut, Option, Command, I. Disable resample. Set resolution to the PPI from InDesign, 219. Notice the pixel dimensions haven't changed, but the size in inches has. We're not changing the physical size of the image, only the number of pixels every inch. Now enable Resample. Set the method to Preserve Details 2.0. I use 20% for reduced noise. Change resolution to 300. The result is opposite. Size in inches is the same, but to reach it at the new resolution, the number of pixels has to increase. Click OK and we're done. Now the image is 300 ppi. Save and close the image and go back to InDesign. Because we used Edit Original, InDesign automatically updates the link. There it is. Effective PPI is now 300. And the problem is gone from the Preflight panel. So that's how to do it. The steps aren't difficult, but for many images, it gets tedious. And it's easy to make mistakes, given the mouse clicks and values to enter. So to help, I wrote the Photoshop script, Increase Resolution. And I set a function key to run the script, so it really goes fast. More about that at the end. I'll do the rest using this script. This is real time. I'm not speeding up the video. Here we go. 263. Run the script. Enter 263. Save and close. Back to InDesign. Next is 270. Enter 270. Save and close. Back to InDesign. And again. And the rest until all are done. That was only a few images. Imagine fixing 24. The script is much faster than doing it manually each image, and consistent. The script is simple. It's doing the same steps I did on the first image, only saving me the mouse clicks and keystrokes. Using a function key helps too. It's easy to add one to any script. In the Scripts panel, double-click the blank area to the right of the script name. In the drop-down list, select a function key of your choice. If this solution works for you, like the video and subscribe to this channel. It keeps more videos coming.